Hey guys, welcome to episode 2. Today we'll be learning how to make your episode character sit while having animations. So let's get started. So first things first, you're going to have your background right here, which you can get from your art catalog. For example, I have this nice background with a couch. But the question is, how do I make my character sit on my couch while talking or maybe just relaxing? So first what you gotta do is scroll down to the library. Then you're going to go and type the word sit. If you want the character to have her talk while sitting, you're going to do talk, sit. So tons of animations should appear, so you're just going to preview them by pressing the I symbol. Okay, so I found my animation. This is perfect, so all I'm going to do is I'm just going to click it, and it should paste right into my script. So what you're going to do is get a fresh new line, and you're going to do @character name. I'm going to type in Alexis because that's my character's name. Stands, either screen left, screen center, or screen right. I'm going to do screen center. And you're going to do Alexis is. So you're just going to copy that exactly. You can change the word center to left or right. You can change the character's name. Let's preview it. Okay guys, so I have a major problem here. Not only is she in the wrong position, but she's not even sitting on a couch. So what we're going to do is you're going to click Show Helpers right here. And once you click it, you're going to click Spot Directing. You're going to then click the character and you're now able to move her around. However, if you place her here, it'll still look weird because the character is bigger than a couch. So you're going to click right here. You're going to click Scale. And now you can drag and it'll make her smaller. And then you're going to click back, move, so you can move the character. It's just a matter of back and forth. So keep on pressing that button until you get the perfect size that you desire. Perfect. So now we're going to scroll down, and there should be a description of what location the character is. You're going to click copy, and you're going to paste it in your script. So instead of screen center, you don't want that anymore. And you're now going to put in the spot right here. You're going to copy that, not including the Alexis part, and paste that in. Delete the spot part because it's already here. And now you're going to change that to an and. Perfect. Let's see what it looks like. Perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if this video helped you guys, make sure to subscribe. See you next Sunday for a new video.